Welcome to French Fitness in Benicia, California. This is one of our 2 warehouses. This is our 40,000 square foot warehouse. So this is where all of our inbound trucks come here. About 25% of the equipment stored here is remanufactured equipment brands like Life Fitness, Precor, Technogym, and more that we sell at fitnesssuperstore.com. And the other 75% of the equipment stored here is new French Fitness brand equipment. And also our entire showroom is here. So this is our 4,400 square foot showroom. Also, you can see this is our office right here. We have here an assortment of the weights we sell. It has roughly about 100 of our top selling French Fitness pieces for any customer to try them for yourself. We also offer video calls from our showroom. One of our representatives can do a video call and do different movements or answer any questions on the call. Here we have some of our multifunctional systems. They include benches and do a huge assortment of exercises. We have selectorized pin-loaded machines, racks. Here we have a lot of plate-loaded machines. A lot of these are dual function, a lot of them are single function. And then here we have some of our commercial grade squat racks here. A lot of smaller gyms or home gyms love these ones. Here we have some of our Telluride machines. This is where a lot of our Tahoe machines are. These are some of our top sellers. A lot of these are either single function or dual function selectorized machines. And then over here, we have a lot of our cardio equipment. This is Precor, Life Fitness. We also have a Woodway treadmill over there, and then a couple Cybex arc trainers in the back there. The rest of what we have here right now is French Fitness. You can see we pretty much offer anything that you can see at your local gym. We have both French Fitness brand and we have some of the remanufactured brands we sell. That way you could come try both and buy what one fits best for you. Another part of our 200 square foot by 200 square foot warehouse are the aisles and racks, which is where we store our equipment. One thing is all of our equipment, everything here, anything besides weights, flooring, and accessories is gonna have a lifetime frame warranty, 10-year parts warranty, and a 1-year labor warranty. We also offer shipment nationwide with room of choice delivery. So try it out here at our warehouse before you purchase your first step to health wellness.